In today's video, I want to talk to you guys about the difference between a tubeless tire and a tube tire for your electric scooter. Now that I've had my electric scooter for long enough to have popped a tire due to excessive bunny hopping over some big cracks in the road, I didn't have to actually replace the tire itself. The tire itself, it was fine. It was actually the tube inside the tire that had popped. So I purchased 3 extra tubes for my tire because it just came as a bundle deal, and I figured I'll probably end up popping some more tires, so why not? The tire was super easy to take off. It was super easy to put the tube back into the tire, but what was really difficult is actually trying to get the tire back on. I was not able to get the tire back onto the wheel. I ended up actually going to a tire shop. I went to a couple of bike shops. I went to some shops that actually sell electric scooters, and literally nobody was able to get the tire on. I actually tried it myself, and in the process popped 2 of the tubes that I purchased. Then I found out that you can actually buy tubeless tires for these things, and they are easier to install because you don't have to worry about having a tube to pop when you're installing it, which just makes it for, less things to worry about. I also was not able to get the tubeless tire on even after watching countless videos about like heat it up for 20 minutes, put a bunch of grease on it, and use all these like bike tire levers that are like always work for me on a bike. I have no problem taking a bike tire off and putting it back on. But for these electric scooters, just because they're so small, they're 8.5-inch, they're just so tight. I feel like you almost need 2 people to get it on. So anyways, I ended up putting an ad online to see if someone can help me get this tire on, and fortunately there was someone that has some experience with this. They were able to get it on with the help of their friend. One thing I do want to mention, that the difference between the tubeless tire and the tube tire on the road, there is actually a noticeable difference in the ride quality. With a tubeless tire, it is a little bit more rough. It's noticeable, but not noticeable enough for me to not want to go with a tubeless tire next time. A tubeless tire is also easier to repair in the future because you're not going to have to take the tire off. If there's some kind of a puncture in a tubeless tire, there's this special stuff that you fill it with and to seal it without actually taking the tire off, so you will never have to take the tire off when you're repairing it in case you get some kind of a puncture, which actually makes it a lot easier to work with. I hope you guys found this video informative. If you did, please go ahead and give me a like, and if you like these types of short to the point reviews for things I buy, please consider subscribing and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload new videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.